If you have a phone, you can animate this. I'm about to teach you how I turn these free Rico images into a smooth dancing animation using Flipaclip step by step. Stay till the end, you will know exactly how to do it yourself. If you love animation or you want to learn it, I post free tutorials every week, so make sure you follow this page and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my tutorials. Alright, let me show you how I made this animation. So open up your Flipaclip and then click on that plus icon to create a new project. Okay, so I'm going to name it Rico PS5 character because this character is actually from a PS5 that I used to make it, like the character design, the appeal. Then click on that background icon to import a background. So I've already created a simple background, so I'll mark it good to add it into the project. Okay, so the next thing now is to set up your canvas size. So this video is for YouTube, so I will set it to YouTube 1080. That is the normal landscape for YouTube videos. Okay, so that should be the first one. Then click on create project. Now we are on the interface of Flipaclip, so I have to click on that three dot over there to add the Rico character. Okay, so click on add image in order to add the Rico character. Okay, so I'm going to select the character and import it. So this Rico character you are seeing now, I did not draw it in Flipaclip. Okay, there is a free app I used to create this character before I import it into this project. Okay, so if you want to learn how to get Rico characters and also learn it step by step, just comment I am interested. Okay, then I will send you the link to join my WhatsApp channel so that where you can get this app and also join my WhatsApp channel and also learn this properly. Okay, so just comment I'm interested. I will send you the link to get this app. So if you import this character image, then click on that plus icon because we are doing frame by frame animation. So because we are doing frame by frame, we all have to work on the timing. Okay, so the timing is the number of frames that affect the speed of the dancing motion. Okay, so we are going to adjust the frame, okay, for a smooth dancing movement. So but when adjusting the frame, just observe the leg. Okay, make sure that the leg, they are the same size. Okay, that will make your character to be consistent. Okay, so make sure that you increase the size of your Rico character by using the lasso tool. So select it and then scale the thing to become bigger so that it can fit in proper. Okay, so the main thing now is for you to fill in the key poses for a smooth motion. Okay, then I will click on that plus icon, then I will add another image. Okay, so this image is now I'm going to add now. You see, this one contains squash and stretch. Okay, so that makes it to have a bouncing dancing movement. Okay, so this in between that we added now can also be called anticipation because it is a small movement which makes the character to move backward to prepare him for the dancing animation. So whenever you are animating, always apply anticipation. It helps create smooth transition between moves. Okay, so guys, so this movement of the hand, the body and the leg is what make this character to move, and this is just the beginning. If you want to learn how to create full animation movement, how to design your own cartoon characters and add all the actions, okay, using your phone or your laptop, then comment I'm interested right now. I'll send you the link to join my animation class where I teach everything step by step from creating a character to making a full animation video. Trust me, once you join my class you will learn a lot. Okay, so comment I'm interested now. Let's get you started. Hey, if you are enjoying this tutorial so far and learning how to make Rico dance, do me a quick favor, smash that like button. It really helps me to know that you want more tutorials like this. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow this page, okay, because I drop new tutorials every week so you don't miss out on it. Okay, so the animation will continue, but the main thing is adjust the leg. Okay, that leg movement is very important. So the more straight it becomes, that makes the animation to be more smooth. Okay, so let's check the video and see how everything is looking. Guys, you see the animation is so smooth because I added the frames properly. So if you follow my step, you will get the same results. Okay, so now we are done. If you have a music audio, you can now import the music. Okay, but I'll just be exporting the video because I don't want it to be too long. Okay, then click on that three dots over there because I want to export the video now. Then click on make movie for you to export the video. Okay, then so I will click on make movie, but you see that my Flipaclip is a premium version. They are not showing watermark. So if you want me to send you this app, comment I'm interested. I will send this app to you now. Okay, so guys, I'm done exporting the video, so let's play the video and see. Guys, you see, look at what I just created. Our Rico character is dancing, full of life and movement. Imagine what you can do once you really understand how to bring your character to life. So if you want to create your own characters, animate them, and even make full animation video using your smartphone or your laptop, I've got something special for you. My 2D and 3D animation class will guide you step by step from creating a character to adding movement and even how to monetize your animation skills. Okay, you will get access to all the free animation apps that I use to create this Rico character, plus one-on-one mentorship with me and with a well-detailed tutorial video that will teach you everything you need to know about animation. So all you have to do now is to click the link in the description of this video or in the comment section saying I'm interested. Then I'll send you the link to join my WhatsApp channel and reach out to me. Okay, you will get everything you need to start creating your own cartoons and your own animation and start earning from it. Okay, if you want to keep learning more about Rico animation, I've created over 30 Rico animation tutorials. So use the playlist link in the description of this video to watch more of my Rico animation tutorials. Okay, so before you go, please subscribe to this channel, follow my page, share this video now. Okay, and also like this video. So now you can go ahead to continue watching my Rico animation tutorial playlist. Links are in the description. If you want to connect with me, then use the link in the description of this video to join my animation community.